Good afternoon everybody, welcome to the railway. I thought I'd just do a short running session today for a bit of steam, and both have got sound, and here we have a King class. This one is a Hornby King George I, a lovely 4.6 ohm locomotive, and that's got a set of 4 carriages. And then behind we've got the Duke of Gloucester, also with sound, and that is a 462 loco, and that's got 5 carriages on. So we're going to get them going. The Duke of Gloucester doesn't particularly like that set of points there, so we might have a bit of fun, we might have a derailment, we may not, we'll see how it goes. But I'll start them off first of all one at once and with their own sound, and then I'll turn that sound off and I'll set the other one off, just so you can hear the difference in sounds. So the first of all, we have the Duke of Gloucester. So we have the sound on and getting going. We come up to a tricky set of points that it doesn't particularly like. Sorry, that was me then. I was a bit too handy with the old throttle there. So there's the Duke, and we'll get the King class fired up with some sound. Again, this one, very much different sound. And here we go again. We'll do a little bit of a slow running pass here. Just Get it to run a bit slower. Beautiful locomotive, runs excellent, really does. There's the old GWR coaches, with a nightmare on the back. We'll speed them up a bit. I'm not going to go through all the sound functions, there's plenty of videos on YouTube that show all the different sound functions. If there's any particular locomotive that I've got and you want me to do a running session on, let me know and I'll just give you a quick tour of the shelf. We have the Pendolino, no sound. We've got a HST 125. Does have sound, but it's one I've converted, doesn't particularly run overly well. Here we've got a Helgen class 128 with Royal Mail. Another Helgen locomotive. This is a class 58, the burgundy one there. Then we have a class 26. Brilliant. All these Helgens are superb runners. Then we've got a Hornby class 47 with sound. A Bachmann 47 without sound. I think you've seen this one before, the bargain from Hatton's. It was a class 92, I think. Then we've got a Helgen class 16. The little Barclays class 06 shunter. In the back there is a Sentinel. Then we have class 27, a class 67. That one, the Cairngorm one, has sound. We have Gadwall with sound. Cock of the North with sound. Tornado here without sound. Princess Elizabeth without sound. Flying Scotsman with sound. Hogwarts without sound. Hogwarts, it's a bit of a, it has its moments. It's due for a good service, Hogwarts is. Then we have a couple of DMUs. We have the 101 DMU by Bachmann, and we also have another Bachmann locomotive here, which is the 150 Sprinter. And at the back we have a couple of the Hornby class 08 shunters. So if there's anything really you want me to do a blip round the layout on, obviously we have the two class 37s over there, which I did a running session on last time, and over there is a Bachmann Hall class, pulling a set of beautiful Pullman coaches. So anything that you want me to do a running session on, let me know. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and any questions please ask. Thank you everybody. Bye.